Good morning, viewers. On the behalf of editors, I, Chandrasekhar, faculty at BITS Pilani, India, am introducing the book entitled Mathematical Modeling and Computation of Real-Time Problems, an Interdisciplinary Approach, published with CRC Press to the learners. The creation of this book is joint work of the editors, me, Professor Rakhi from BITS Pilani, India, Professor Madhu Jain from IIT Roorkee, India, and Professor S.R. Chakrabarty from Kettering University, USA, and the contributing authors from different parts of the world with expertise in mathematical modeling and computation. Mathematical modeling, which plays an important role in many walks of life, is the backbone of the mathematical and applied sciences and is a multidisciplinary one. This multidisciplinary aspects make mathematical modeling to be versatile in both theory and application. This book is no exception to this aspect. The mathematical modeling is both an art and a science. With fundamental methodologies and efficient computational approach, the practitioners are exposed to a wide variety of real-time systems. This book offers a content-rich platform with which readers can understand a particular model, solve problems related to the model or the methodologies employed, extend results through project and case studies. This book provides a collection of chapters illustrated the power and richness of mathematical modeling in delivering insight into the operation of substantial real-time systems. A key aspect of this book has been the introducing the interdisciplinary approach to mathematical modeling. Not only do such efforts provide tangible evidence of the utility of multidisciplinary knowledge in modeling, but the precise modeling process also attracts the active participation of the interested learners. The book is conceptually organized into three parts: OR model, soft computing model, and statistical model, to a total of 15 chapters. A brief description to each chapter is as follows. Chapter 1 presents a simulation approach to rekindle the interest in vacation queuing model, which optimize utilization of the server through a few comparison studies. Chapter 2 offers an investigation study of the effect of imperfect service in Markovian retrieval queue by including novel features of working location and working behavior of the customers. Runge-Kutta techniques is implemented and performance are validated numerically. Chapter 3 deals with finite capacity tandem queuing system, in which nodes render the queue dependent service to jobs. Numerical simulations have also been performed to identify the critical parameter of the studied model and for increasing the applicability of the system. Chapter 4 analyzes a machining system performance having a provision of fault tolerance through redundancy and maintenance using matrix method and Markov process. The key objective of chapter 5 is to examine queuing characteristic of F-policy retrieval queuing model with working vacation and the walking. Chapter 6 considers a discrete time single server journal service queuing system with recurrent customer, where service facility is subjected to failure while initiating service. The system is analyzed in the early arrival setup. The generating function technique is employed to drive the required distribution. Chapter 7 presents literature survey to address the utility, potential of optimization, statistical surveys, and mathematical research into post-harvest supply chain to reduce losses. Chapter 8 looks at the growing global environmental regulation and their pressure on various manufacturing industries to implement proper e-waste management practices. However, from India's perspective, the presence of number of barriers make the implementation of the same a difficult task. This chapter utilizes best first method to prioritize both type of the barrier. The novelty of this work lies in priorities the barriers based on recycler perspective. Chapter 9 investigates bulk arrival general service queue with prioritized customers along with walking behavior of the arrivals. The mean waiting time of the priority and non-priority customers are derived. A comparison of the numerical results obtained using analytical formula and by fuzzy analysis has been made. Chapter 10 focuses on finding the most sustainable energy source covering environmental, technical, economic, social, political, flexibility criteria. Energy consumption in India rose very fast due to industrialization and the urbanization. In this chapter, the expert's weight is collected in linguistic terminology and employed fuzzy analytical hierarchy process approach to analyze the collected weights. By the analysis, solar energy is found as most sustainable energy source in India. Chapter 11 deals with distributed computing system and discusses the continuous progress of microprocessor technology and computer network. In this chapter, serviceable model has been evolved using k-means clustering technique to establish the system optimum impedance time by optimal assignment of tasks based on triangular fuzzy execution time and triangular fuzzy communication time processor speed. Chapter 12 is devoted to describing a problem-solving approach using genetic algorithm for 0-1 knapsack problem. Chapter 13 suggests difference cum exponential type estimator for estimating the population means of the study variable using auxiliary information of the population means of the auxiliary variable is known. Chapter 14 proposes methodology using visible infrared imaging radiometer shoot day-night band scan data to estimate flood-related damage in Kerala in rapid yet efficient manner. Last chapter 15 provides a brief summary of the motion of Indian plate and its interior deformation. Along the Himalayan arc, a high velocity gradient is observed which confirms the rapid deformation along the plate boundary. This book was written while editors were supported by institutes of repute, namely BITS Planning, IIT Roorkee, Kettering University. We acknowledge sincere thanks to all academic and administrative support from these institutes. The editor wished to thank CRC Press, learned reviewers, contributors, and well-wishers for their best possible support, help, and backup in completion of the work. I am personally thankful to my parents, children, Pranjal and Tejas, and wife Sikha Gupta for continuous cooperation. Thank you.